Acupuncture for arthritis pain relief. Just in case you don't know what acupuncture is, it's an ancient Chinese medicine that is used to help restore your body to a healthier balance. This technique involves focusing on specific points in the body that control certain things. So when an acupuncturist is able to find the way in which your body's energy is flowing, then find new ways to make sure that everything is flowing properly again. Many arthritis pain sufferers have turned to acupuncture for healing and easing the pain. A study was conducted on over 500 elderly patients who suffered from osteoarthritis in the knee. Only some of them were given the actual acupuncture treatment while others were given a fake acupuncture treatment. The treatment was given for 6 months. At the end of the 6 months they found that those who had received treatment had less pain and more mobility. Although they weren't pain-free, they did have reduced pain. While some say this is great news, there are of course always those who are skeptical of these types of treatments. The theory behind acupuncture is that it will find specific points in the body and place needles in those areas to restore or unblock energy in the body. You must understand the different points that an acupuncturist will look for in order to understand how the different points of the body control your energy and other things and how they are linked together in this form of Chinese medicine. If you have ever observed an acupuncturist at work, you probably noticed that the needles were all placed into a person's body at different lengths. There is a shallow set of points are known as the Qi accumulating cleft points. These cleft points are wider and shallower spots that make it easy for your Qi to become blocked. There is a special set of points that are used on the upper third of the body. These upper body points are known as the window to sky points and according to the Chinese, are directly linked to one's spirit and relationship between heaven to earth. Once the needles are inserted to their respective spots, the acupuncturist will manipulate the needles by hand or sometimes they may stimulate them using a small electrical current. Acupuncture is one method of pain relief that arthritis sufferers may decide to try, but there are other alternative pain relief options available. Now you have it. Please subscribe and click the bell notification button for more tips.